Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily allow or disallow realistic images in macOS 27 Golden Gate on your Mac. macOS 27 Golden Gate gives you greater control over AI-powered image generation, including the ability to allow or restrict the creation of realistic images. This setting is useful whether you want access to lifelike image generation for creative projects or prefer to limit it for privacy, safety, or personal reasons. Apple makes it easy to change this preference whenever your needs change, so you remain in control of how image generation features work on your Mac. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. And then you have to choose the Screen Time option in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose Content and Privacy option. Then select Siri. Then you have to enable or disable the toggle located right next to realistic images. In the end, make sure to hit the Done button located at the bottom of the menu to confirm the action, and that's about it. There are situations where you may prefer to turn this feature off. Disabling realistic image generation can help you limit the creation of highly lifelike AI content, which some users may choose for privacy, safety, parental controls, or organizational policies. On the other hand, keeping the feature enabled provides greater creative flexibility and allows you to make full use of Apple's AI image generation capabilities whenever inspiration strikes. The good news is that Apple lets you change this setting at any time. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.